Have you ever wondered why we sneeze? It's a natural reflex that happens to all of us, but what triggers it? Allergies are a common cause of sneezing. When allergens enter the nose, they irritate the lining and trigger a sneezing response. Viral infections like the common cold and flu can also cause sneezing. Other nasal irritants like dust, pepper, and cold air can also trigger sneezing. The body's way to remove these irritants is by sneezing them out. But why do we sneeze? The brain plays a crucial role in the sneezing process. When the nasal passages detect an irritant, the brain sends a signal to the muscles to create the sneezing action. Thanks for watching.